Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Joanna from Shanghai FARFLY. This episode, I will introduce our 3-shaft mixing kettle for you. Let's go and have a look. We can make different functions according to customer needs. Like this one, this customer wanted the vacuum function, they wanted the machine, the material mixing. When mixing can have the vacuum to remove the bubbles. As you can see, we have the vacuum meter here. Now let me show you inside the working situation. Look, you can see we have the high-speed dispersing mixing. We have the 2 mixing discs up and down 2 pieces, and this one the speed can reach 1000 RPM. At the middle is the low speed mixing. We have many Teflon scrapers on besides and bottom to prevent the low material stink on the tank edges and bottom. Okay, that's all. If you like our video, please follow with us. We are paint and chemical machine. Thank you. Bye bye.